Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before today's video starts, I just wanted to reach out to each one of you. For those of you that watched my previous video where I gave you my life update, the love, the support, the comments have been incredible, and I've been actually humbled by the amount of love that's out there. I totally appreciate every single comment that came across, every single DM. Absolutely humbled. The video that you're about to watch now was shot in 2024 in December. It was edited around that time as well. My tone is going to be very different in what you're about to watch compared to how I am now, but my channel must go on. There's going to be more content that's going to come out on the M340i, which was already in the pipeline, and I've got a lot of things that are going to go on, and I really hope that you carry on with this journey with me on the M340i. I'll let you carry on watching this vid now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you are joining me back in the M340i today, and we're going to continue the content on this car. Over the last few days I've been receiving a number of parts for this car, mainly like gloss black body kit, and today we're going to be installing part of that. So the parts that I'm going to be swapping over today are the grille and the wing mirrors. We're going to go inside and I'll show you the parts that have arrived, and we're going to then go ahead and get them fitted to this car. So huge thanks to Carbon Accents for supplying me the wing mirrors, or the covers, for the M340i. They're in the bubble wrap. I have got a trim removal tool as well, which is going to come in quite handy. We will also need a 10mm screwdriver as well for the indicators. I'm going to unwrap one of these just to show you what they look like, and then we're going to go and head over to the car and get these fitted. So there we have it. That's one wing mirror cover, nice gloss black. Obviously the indicator is going to fit into there as well, and it's got all the clips which are intact. So yeah, we're going to go over to the M340i, get this fitted, and hopefully make the M340i look a little bit more mean as well. So we're back to the kitchen worktop, and I've just unwrapped my M340i gloss black grille. Now this is a generic eBay part. This will fit pretty much every G23 series out there. It does come with like a blanking plate here, so in case you have got like the surround camera, you can take that off and feed the camera through like a little hole there. On first inspection, the quality of it does look quite nice. It is quite nice and glossy. I don't think this is going to fade anytime soon. Looks like all the clips are intact as well. I have seen this fitted to a number of cars, and it does look pretty good. I have got quite a few other parts that have arrived, but I think in this vid we'll be able to just fit this as well as the wing mirrors, and the rest of them will do perhaps on like a part 2. So yeah, the next thing we're going to do is go and get this stuff fitted to the car. B58 and all that. So the idea is that we're going to replace this kind of satin cerium grille. We're going to start stripping some of this front end from here and get behind it to pulley off. First of all, we're going to remove this rubber trim and then these kind of rivets here. There's a few of them, and then hopefully that'll just come out and we'll install the gloss black one. Shouldn't be too difficult. So yeah, looking forward to just getting that off. Okay, so that was quite straightforward. So the rivets look like that basically. You just pull the back piece out and they come out, and there's 4 of them. And then this plastic piece, the idea is you push it back and lift it up, so then you're kind of exposed with the actual grill here. And now the idea is you're just going to go and pop these clips. A bit noisy on the roadside, but that's how it is here. You've also got like this 10mm bolt here as well, so we need to remove that, and then this will just hopefully just pop out as well. Okay, so pretty much it's already out. Just pop the clips and just be quite gentle with it. It is quite strong, so should be okay. I think there's just literally like one clip in there that I just need to undo. Well, actually no, it's this one here. And there you go, it's coming loose. Let's put this camera down. Okay, so there we have it. The grill has been removed. You can see this is all the active grill behind it, which kind of opens up and whatnot. So yeah, this is the cerium one. Quite easy to actually remove. It was kind of like hanging on there at one point, so I just had to like pull it. But other than that, it was quite easy. So what I might do is just quickly give this like a bit of a clean, and then go ahead and install the gloss black one, which hopefully will make the front end look that little bit more, I don't know, meaner I guess. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up and install the black one. So the black grille is now on. It looks quite smart, I must say. I think the fitting is pretty much bang on as well. The only thing that you got to do when you do put this on is you got to kind of like wedge these clips in first from the top, and then kind of like sort of slide it down a little bit. You got clips on the side here that need to go in, on that side and here, and once they're in, the rest of it kind of just like smacks into place. So don't be afraid to like give it like a good bashing, because that's the only way it's going to actually like fit in place. And then you've got the 25mm bolt as well, which you need to make sure that that goes on to hold it in place. And now everything else, like the dressing, just needs to just take place, which is what I'm going to do now. And then hopefully we'll close the bonnet down and show you what this looks like. So now I'm going to remove the wing mirror cover, the Cerium one, replace it with the M style gloss black one that I've got. I'm not going to remove the mirror itself, I'm just going to remove the casing with my trim removal tool. Okay, so the mirror casing is off, the mirror is still on there, and the way I kind of done that was I kind of put the trim removal tool through here and then just kind of wedged it upwards, and that disengaged those clips. Now the idea is I'm going to take off those small little bolts there to remove the indicator and then install that onto the new one as well. So yeah, I think that's the next thing to do. We'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, quick little progress update. The wing mirror caps are on. The one on the driver's side, no issues with that, literally plug and play. The one on the passenger side seemed a bit fiddly. I had to keep on taking off like the indicator. I'm not sure whether that was catching on anything. It didn't break any clips, but it's on and it's quite secure. I do think that these mirror caps do look pretty good. They look pretty much OEM as far as I can tell. Quite happy with the grille as well. So while I was fitting the wing mirror covers and the grille, this set has just turned up. So we've got the M340i badge, we've got an M badge for the front two wings, and we've also got this X-Drive badge as well. Let's go and get this fitted to the car. I'll throw some pan shots in for you and let you enjoy those. So back to the present day today. I hope you have enjoyed the content on the M340i. Like I said, this was shot in December 24, edited now, and I'm back in the present day. I didn't do the outro in 24, I thought I'll do that in 25, hence why the beard. But yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed today's content. Look out for part 2, which I haven't shot at the moment, but I've got everything to get ready for that. Do continue to support the M340i build. I am quite excited because I've got quite a lot of stuff already planned for this car, and hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.